Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can run DeepSeek locally in your system without any internet connection. So currently if you open DeepSeek and if you want to chat with it, you will find that it is having a lot of server issues and it is pretty slow. For that reason you can download the model and you can run the model offline. So how to do this? So you can open any of your browser and search for Olama and open this website olama.com and download Olama for your operating system. So currently I am using Windows, so I'll download this for Windows. After downloading the setup, you need to click on this install button and it will start installing in your system. So you can see this installing in my system. I will wait for some time. So we have successfully downloaded Olama in our system and you can see that this is running. Now just right click on your Windows button and go to the terminal, and inside this terminal you should check if Olama is working properly or not. You just type Olama and click on enter and you can see these messages. That means Olama is successfully running on your system. Now just go back to the website and click on the models button, and I want to run DeepSeek R1 model, so I'll click on this link, and inside this drop down menu you can find different models with different size and choose any of the models, and at the right section you will find the command of that particular model. For example, if I choose 1.5b, so I need to run this command inside my terminal and it will just automatically download this model inside my system. I'll copy this command and I'll go back to my terminal. So I'll try to run this command and you can see this is trying to download the model and it will take some time depending upon your internet connection. So after installing any of this model, you can just run the command again. For me, I have installed this 1.5b version, so I'll write this command and if I click on this, so after successfully downloading the model, if you want to run the model in your system, you just need to write the command again, and if I click on enter, you can see the model is running properly. So to verify this, I'll just ask for what is Olama. So you can see our model is properly generating answers depending upon our inputs. So this is it for this video, and if you think this video is helpful for you, you can just click on like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have questions, you can use the comment section, and thanks for watching this video.